welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you're new. Today I wanted to make this super fun, super easy, super dad Father's Day card. So come along with me. It's a ready-made project over here just under projects. And then I just searched Father's Day card. And then you see all the different cards that come up. So my first cut will just be the white inside of the card, and then I'm using this blue, lighter blue for the outside. All right, didn't take very long to cut it. So this was a really simple card to cut out. It only took a couple minutes. And you have your backing here, and then this is the front. You can see there's the chin of the superhero or the super dad. And when you bring this project into your canvas, it's already set up dimension-wise for you. This is about 7 by just over 5 3/4. So it's scored it. I have the scoring wheel. So I'm going to fold it on the scoring line. When you have an opening right close to your scoring line, sometimes it's hard to get it started. So just be patient with that. And just fold it like that. And then you'll want to use your bone folder to get a good crease. Here we go. And then you'll just glue this onto the back, and then you have your super easy card. I think my mats might need be ready to be cleaned. So, because some of my detailed cuts here I'm not super pleased with, but I think it's gonna be okay. So I am gonna put some glue just in some of these really delicate areas. And then I am just going to line this up, get it as straight as I can. And push those down. Look how cute that is. And there you have it. A super fun, super easy, super dad Father's Day card. And then I'm just going to add a little sentiment inside here. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.